Hey, this is Mr. Barre, and this IXL deals with linear inequality word problems. So here's the first one. It's going to be tough to see this, isn't it? There. So Bob is purchasing dried apricots and cherries to use in his homemade trail mix, which requires at least 194 grams. So 194. Let me change markers. So I need at least 194 grams. So 194. So I know I have to be greater than or equal to that. I need at least, so right away I can already rule out the top two. And actually it's got to be this one already just by narrowing it down right there. It's going to be greater than or equal to 194. So if dried apricots is 6, so each dried apricot weighs 6 grams. So 6 grams, those are the apricots, plus cherries weigh 2 grams. That's my equation. It's right there. All right, let's do this next one. Excuse me. Oak Grove High School has a budget of at most $100 or $510. So I cannot go over that. So I need to stay under that. And I know that softballs are $42. So 42 and softballs are X, plus bats are $36. So $36 for the Y, which are bats. Which one matches up? Less than 500, less than or equal to. Less than or equal to, that's a good one. 42x plus, oh, that's not plus though, that's times. 42x plus 36y, I think it's that one right there. Yeah, because this one's greater than 510. I have to stay less than 510. Right there. Next one. He would like to make at least 110, so I want to be greater than 110. He charges $12 for a small. I think X is small. And he charges $21 for a large, and Y is large. And he wants to make at least, so it's greater than or equal to that. So greater than or equal to, yeah, right there, greater than or equal to 110. It's right there. In order to raise money, debate team, selling, they hope to make at least $170. So I want to be greater than or equal to 170. And hot chocolate is $1. So that's 1 times X because X is hot chocolate. Plus cider is $2, 2Y. There's my inequality for this. Let's match it up. 2X, no. 1X plus 2Y is greater than or equal to 170. It's right there. Let's see, tuba, trumpets, total expenditure must be below 5,000. So I want to stay under 5,000. The total expenditure must be below it. So it can't even equal it. It's got to be below it. So that it's right there. And a tuba costs $1,400. It's X tubas, X is tubas, and a trumpet costs $510. There you go. Let's match that up. 1,400X plus 510Y, and I'm staying under 5,000, so it's right there. Because this one's going over 5,000. Let's see, during package, he has to spend under $98. So spending under $98. And hot dogs are $3, so 3X plus buffalo wings are $6, 6Y. There we go. So 3X plus 6Y under 98. And he wants to spend under, so that's under. This one is less than or equal to. This one is just less than. Let's see. Manage sport. Achieve more than $7,000 in revenue. So I want to be above $7,000 in revenue. And DVD players sell for $100. So 100 times X is X DVD players. Yep. Plus TVs are 720. Y, because Y is TVs. That's good. So 100X. No. Yeah, right here. Is that it? Yep. And I could have narrowed it down right here just based off of the inequality. So 100x plus 720y is greater than 7,000. Nice. Now it's going to change into actually having to create the equation, not just match it. I like that. So Robbie is building a birdhouse. He has a total of 260 nails. So he can use less than or equal to 260 nails. A small requires 32 for the small, plus 56 for the large. Did I get that right? X is small, Y is large. There's my inequality. Let's type that thing in. 32x plus 56y is less than or equal to 260. 32x plus 56y is less than or equal to 260. Good work. What's my SMART score? Yeah, I'm up at 60. 7 minutes and I'm up to a 60. Megan is purchasing truffles. To ensure there are enough for everyone, she needs to purchase at least 95 pieces. So 95 is the minimum. So she might want to go above that. Dark, 11 per box for the dark. 23 per box for the light. Did I get that right? Is this dark? X is dark. Y is light. I think that's my inequality. 11x plus 23y greater than or equal to 95. Brilliant. A drama department, fundraising goal of $260, which the students will try to meet or exceed. So I need at least 260. And I have to meet or exceed that. Caramel popcorn gets them $2 of profit, so 2x plus chocolate covered is 1y. So x is caramel, y is chocolate covered. That matches up pretty nicely. 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 260. Fantastic. All right, so I think you guys get the point of it. I'm up to 68 on my SMART score. I could probably go a little bit faster without writing them down, but yeah, so do you actually need a whiteboard for this one? Maybe not. Let's see. 3x plus, actually I missed, punch is 1x, so x plus 3y, I want to do not want to spend more than 27, so I have to stay less than or equal to 27. Let's see, 45 tokens, skee ball is 3 per game, plus pinball is 2 per game. And she can afford to buy she can afford to buy up to 45 tokens. So I'm going to, means up to, I'm thinking that means she can buy 45. I think that's right with the inequality. Good. Another one, small recording, 6 boards to build. So 6 for the small, large is 14. He has up to 36 boards, so he has to stay under or equal to 36. 50 servings, batch of brownies, you'll get 23 servings, and a pie will get, so 23 for the brownies, plus 6 for the pi's. At least, he needs at least 56, so he needs greater than or equal to, excuse me, not 56, of 50, greater than or equal to 50. Well done. What am I up to now? Are these ever going to change? I'm at 81. All right, my lights just went out, which means, oh, they just went back on. Thank you. So I think you get the point. That's it. Thanks for watching.